All right, session 8, an incredible pleasure to be here now with you. It's been a beautiful journey over the past couple days. Somebody asked me how I'm feeling. Somebody wanted to know what my experience has been. One of the easy ways to see the enthusiasm is how much we continue connecting passionately with each other. Part of the best joys of our break-in is that the conversation continues as we dialogue with each other. I'm going to ask for your attention for the next 45 minutes as I quiet the crowd. We're going to focus ourselves on our last few sets of speakers. And as I get us going, what I want to do is briefly reflect on our journey. We've heard from scientists and leaders, from artists and athletes, from investors and activists, from technologists and thinkers. We've explored hard questions around AI and policy, equity, belonging, and boldness. We've heard stories of trauma and healing, of risk and innovation, of visibility and vision. And as we near our time together, as we end and we wind down, I want to offer you one final reflection from me personally. There's been a thread that's been quietly woven here, and I want to share a vision and an aspiration that I have for all of us together. As we build and we look to build together, I hope that we don't just build faster. I hope that we don't just build bolder, that we build more thoughtfully, inclusively, and sustainably. And in particular, I want to share with you a word, and I suspect it's a word that no one has ever heard before. It's a word that has unique personal resonance for me, and to some degree, perhaps a culmination of our time today. That word is wealth, and I'll overpronounce it so that you hear the H in that word. W-H-E-A-L-T-H. And when I think of the word wealth, it is a combination of wealth and health. But it's also something more. I think it's a call to action. I think it's an opportunity to redefine success. It's not just about business, it's about life. It's about aligning our prosperity and our wellness, our profit with our purpose. It's about building companies and communities that nourish and grow together. It's not about just asking, what can I achieve? But it's about understanding, what am I sustaining? What am I protecting? And what am I leaving behind? In this new era, as we navigate it together, we're clear about the uncertainty. We're clear about the need for transformation and acceleration. But what I want to introduce is, perhaps with a healthy mindset, we can find something that is resilient, human, and grounded. Because that's the future that's worth fighting and building for together. And at least when I look out at the joy and the enthusiasm from all of you, I believe it's not a solo journey, but rather, if the summit reminds us of anything, it's that our most meaningful work can be done together. And in particular, it's because next starts now.